Still feeling tired after lunch? Try this. 3 simple drinks to help you feel more steady, no crash. Start simple. Lukewarm water, gentle after meals. A little lemons, bright and refreshing. Helps your body feel lighter. No heaviness, just balance. Just enough to release the warmth. Feels gentle after meals. Are something warm, fresh ginger, soft and calming. Add warm water. Let it sit for a few minutes. Just enough to release the warmth. Feels gentle after meals. And when you want something that lasts longer, soaked chia seeds, soft and easy, helps you stay full running. Start simple. Lukewarm water, gentle after meals. Add warm water. Let it sit for a few minutes. More steady, a small splash helps your body stay balanced. No sudden drop, just steady energy. When you support your bodies with small habits, you feel more steady, less tired. Try one after your next meal and notice how you feel. Save this and subscribe Amypresh Kitchen for simple, steady meals.